Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a really fun video and it's something that has been requested by a lot of you. So I'm going to teach you 6 tips on how to appear taller as well as slimmer. It's kind of like a 2-for-1 today. Now these tips are going to work for any body type, but especially if you are petite and looking to appear taller, then listen up. Let's get into it. So the first tip in appearing taller and thinner is going to start with your shoes. And I'm not just talking about adding heels. I mean, obviously heels are literally going to make you appear taller. And I love heels. I think that there's a time and a place for them. But 3 kids at the playground is not always the time or the place. Instead, I'm talking about the color and the point in your shoe. So a neutral or a nude shoe is going to not only make your legs appear longer, but it's going to elongate your overall frame. You're just gonna look taller. When finding a nude shoe, look for a tone that matches your skin tone well. You don't want anything that is too dark. You don't want anything that is too light. Once again, you are trying to find a shoe that basically looks like an extension of your leg, which will make your leg line look longer. A pointed toe, right? So pointed, not round, is also going to elongate your legs and visually add 1 to 2 inches to your frame. The next way to appear taller and leaner is to dress in one shade of color, so monochromatically. By wearing a monochromatic look, it is also going to give you a very cohesive look. There is no separation from top to bottom, so it keeps the eye looking up and down in one long line. I know sometimes it can feel daunting to dress monochromatically, but ladies, it is virtually impossible to screw this one up. It just is. The color doesn't matter. If you don't love black, don't wear black. Wear white or reds or navies or yellows, like whatever. Just wear that one color from head to toe and you will get that cohesive look. The next tip is to wear vertical lines. Now you have probably heard this over and over again, and that's because it is true. Vertical lines in your clothing are going to make you appear taller. Now this could be actual patterns in your clothing. Maybe it's stripes in your top, pinstripes in your pants, or vertical lines can also appear in elements of your clothing. So that would be seen as pleating in your skirts or creases in your pants, princess seams in your tops. So just using any sort of element with a vertical line is going to draw that eye up and down. The 4th way to appear taller and thinner is to wear a dark, high-waisted, flared pant. This combo is going to make you look like you have legs for days. Dark wash means no fading, no pleating, no distressing, no whiskering, no blinging out on the butt. You want to keep it classic and simple. That is so key. You want a high rise. That is typically between 8 to 10 inches. Anything higher than 10 inches just gets uncomfortable and like gets into the rib cage. I wouldn't recommend it. But a high rise hits at your natural waist, which on most women is the most narrow part of your body. So it's gonna look really flattering. And then you're gonna want the flare. Now I am not talking about a big, exaggerated flare like we wore in middle school. Even a demi boot cut will work just fine. But this is going to give the illusion of longer legs and a longer leg line. You can also add a heel or a pointed flat to keep that look really streamlined and help you appear taller. If you are petite and wanting to look taller, then a dark, high-waisted, flared pant should be a staple in your wardrobe. The 5th tip is to go ahead and just tuck in your clothes. Avoiding those oversized or baggy clothes is crucial if you are aiming for the appearance of height. By tucking, it will give you a waist, but also create one long continuous line, which will make you look taller. Now, if you are unfamiliar with how to tuck or uncomfortable with it, then lucky you, I have done an entire video on how to tuck and tie and roll your clothes. I will link it up above as well as down below for you to reference. Another tip to look taller and to help your legs look longer is to shorten your hemline. This especially works if you are petite. Now, I am not talking about wearing a super short mini skirt. I'm not, but if you like your legs and want to show them off, then go ahead and cheat your hem to just above your knees. Anywhere between your mid-thigh to your knees is appropriate. Now, if you don't know if it's too short, then just do the arms test that we all got to do in elementary and middle school. Put your hands down. If it goes above your fingertips, then maybe it's too short. You can see that the longer dress definitely doesn't help me appear as tall as that shorter dress. It is also hitting me at my calves, which is the widest part of my legs. Generally, you want to avoid that area because it's just not doing you any favors. You want your dress or your skirt to hit you at the skinniest part. So that would be your ankles or right above your knees. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I love being able to answer those and get a chance to talk to you guys. I just love you. You can also check out my Instagram at Casey Matheny Style. I have a ton of different content over there. I am on there daily and just love chatting with you through DMs and messaging. So go check that out. Bye y'all.